Hey, I'm Bonita.
And I'm Drew.
And we're
The Goodwins.
That's right. We've been married for 25 years.
Wow, 25 years. That's a long time.
Yup. We have
5 children.
That's
Uno,
right.
dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
And we've been volunteering here at the Myrtle Beach State Park for
About 15 years, give or take a few years.
yeah, something like that. But we love being outside. We love camping, hiking.
Well, fishing sometimes. Well, I'm actually considered the fire guy. I do all the fires and all that good stuff. And
I do all the food.
Survivalist. Yeah, she cooks.
Yep. So if it's outside, we love doing it.
Got that right.
Today,
We are going to be talking about
cooking with
pie irons.
yay.
This is a square mountain pie iron. I've also seen them come in circular shapes, but they are great. You can cook so many different things. Let your imagination run wild. Really, the only thing you almost can't cook in here is soup. But you know what? Some of you are so creative enough. I bet you can do it. So you've got this hook here. Hook it on. And then before you put it in the fire, all of them will have some type of hook to make sure it's secure, because you don't want any of your yummy food to fall out.
Okay, so here's the scenario. You've got everything planned out, you're ready to go camping, you show up, you've pitched your tent, and you're getting ready to start cooking dinner, and guess what? It rains. Now what are you gonna do? Or what happens if, oh my gosh, something happened and you burned all your food because you weren't paying attention? So here's just a couple little tips for you to have, just in case these things might happen. Have a backup. Have something that doesn't require cooking. Have a salad or sandwiches. Prepare something that doesn't require you to have to cook it over a fire. So that's my tip for the day. We are getting ready to make pizzas in pie irons, and the best thing is that Ranger Ann and I, we have very different tastes. So we're gonna show you 2 different kinds of pizzas, and the best kind is whatever kind you want. You can do so many different things. The first thing though, most important, is we need to spray this, and I know this is look like it's overkill, but trust me, you don't want to not do this.
Can I use butter? This is olive oil. Does it matter what kind of spray it is?
It doesn't
really?
matter. Nope.
Okay.
I like butter kind. You've got olive oil, whatever. And then we're gonna put our bread in here.
I think white bread works probably best in these. I'm not sure if you can. You
can
can
do
try
wheat.
whole wheat, but I don't. How's
You
it
can
work?
do wheat. Yeah, absolutely. You can do wheat. I've used wheat before. We've actually used all kinds. We've used rye. We've used all kinds of different. So now that we got that in there, then it's time for some. I almost said tomato sauce, but this is actually pizza sauce, I think, right?
It might be spaghetti sauce. I don't know. It doesn't really matter.
No, it doesn't.
Do whatever you like.
You can use pizza sauce, tomato sauce, really whatever you feel like doing. I'm gonna add some cheese.
You can't have too much cheese. I mean, this is what's great for big families like yours, Bonita, or hungry rangers. You know, you can put whatever you want. Lots of vegetables, no vegetables, meat.
The best
No
thing,
meat.
The best thing I like about this is in my family, you know, I have 2 that are allergic to mushrooms and sausage, and I love mushrooms and sausage. But now, if we do it this way, I can get the pizza that I want. They can get the pizza that they want. I'm gonna add some mushrooms on mine since I can have it.
Notice we chopped up a lot of stuff beforehand. Like, I don't like raw mushrooms. Do you like mushrooms? These are onions. Do you like raw onions?
Not really.
I think they're horrible. But I love cooked onions, so before we went camping, I cooked the onions. I do a lot of prepping before I go camping, just to save time, because I just want to have more fun while
Well,
camping.
the bacon's already pre-cooked
Yeah.
too. So anytime you can do anything that's pre-cooked, voila.
Oh, I gotta get cheese. Can't have too much cheese. Can you have too much cheese?
Not really. All right, and then you're gonna make sure that this is hooked when
Good
you do
point.
it, because sometimes people have not hooked it and then they have a mess at the other end.
And these you can just find in the local sporting goods section of the camping section of a store.
We're gonna go ahead and put this in the coal. I can see. You don't want to put this in the open flame. The open flame will get it to burn very quickly. So you basically just want to put this in the coals wherever you can get it. All right, so we're just gonna wait just a couple minutes and then we're gonna flip it over. That way you can get even on both sides. So depending on how hot your fire is, you know, it's just gonna determine how long it takes. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of open it up and look, and like mine's not done yet. So we just wanna close it back up and put it back in the flames, or back in the coals, not the flames.
You guys want to order some pizza?
Might have to.
You gotta be very, very careful with this because this is really, really hot. When we get over here, you just gotta be careful it's not touching any of the plastic, or you're not touching your skin, because this is still very, very hot.
The difference between patience and forgetting about it, or really hot coals.
You gonna eat that, Ann?
I'm gonna make dessert.
Okay, I'm gonna eat mine.
Yeah. Anybody want my burnt pizza?
I'm good. Yeah, trying to cut back on pizza.
Good.
I'm glad yours is.
All right, so we are gonna make some dessert. I'm gonna be making some lemon meringue pie, one of my favorites.
I'm just gonna be making peanut butter and chocolate and fruit. So look how different it is.
Yeah, you're healthy and I'm not.
Well, I don't know about that, but let your imagination run wild.
That's right, you can put whatever you want. So it's
Spray
important
away.
again, spray this really good. We don't want anything to stick.
We have an airport nearby. So I'm gonna use peanut butter. You could also use crunchy peanut butter, I guess Nutella or almond nut butter. You could do whatever you want.
Yeah, the lemon is just a lemon pie filling that you can find in your bakery aisle. In case you didn't know where to find it in the store.
We didn't. Can use whatever fruit you want. Go have fun with it. Did you already put your marshmallows in?
I sure did.
Oh, okay, I just missed it.
I put about 4 or 5
You're so fast with the marshmallows.
Well, you know, I've got a lot of experience with these
I
pie
bet.
irons.
I've decided to use Mr. Goodbar
You
to
know,
have a little bit difference.
you know what's really fun?
What?
If you say pie iron 5 times really fast.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Pie iron, pie iron, pie iron, pie iron, pie iron, pie iron. Okay, so again, don't put it right in the flames. Put it in the hot coals. Depends how long it takes, depending on the temperature of the coals. And gosh, I hope I don't burn it this time.
And so that brings us to another point. Make sure that you check it often if you think that you are in the hottest part of the coals, which I think you're in the hotter part than I am.
I'm just gonna turn it already. I'm very nervous.
You can never turn it too often. That's what my dad used to say.
Can't have enough patience either.
All right, we're done. Be really careful, this is hot.
Hot, hot, hot. All right, let's see what they look like on the inside.
All right,
They're
see,
gonna
they gave
look
me
so
a butter knife
different.
because they don't trust me with a sharp knife.
I won't either. Look at that ooey gooey goodness.
Wow, that looks great.
I'm
Man,
so
look at all that
hungry since
chocolate.
I didn't eat my dinner. Bon appetit.
Yeah, whatever that means. Mmm. And that is still hot. It's very good. Mm.
We're gonna try something different and new that we've never tried. And we're gonna kind of do more of a stuffed French toast. And I'm using different bread, going away from the white. And this is cream cheese. I got the flavored cream cheese, but you could use any kind of cream cheese you want. And then I'm going to stuff it with fruit. Any kind of fruit you want. We have sliced strawberries and blueberries. Pretty excited about this. My particular cream cheese is the honey nut or honey pecan. Okay. like that. And then, remember you always spray well. And then because we're gonna make French toast, we're gonna give it a good soak. Close it up tight. And there you go.
Oh,
That looks really good.
This looks really good. Drew, you cooked it to perfection.
That's what I do.
So this is our French toast, stuffed French toast. Oh, look at the strawberries coming out. It's hot. Drew, could you have made it a little cooler?
I'll turn the fire down next time.
I think we have to be patient and wait.
it's just so good. Like, if we had like a little thing of syrup, could you imagine dunking it in some syrup?
I don't even need syrup.
It's good though, isn't it?
Hey, it's always fun to try new things. We didn't know if this would work. So that's the fun of outdoor cooking. Just try it, but have it back up.
Thanks for spending some time with us, learning some outdoor cooking. We hope you learned a lot of things and had a lot of fun. Until next time, I'm Drew.
I'm Bonita.
And we're the Goodwins.
Goodwins.